How to set up a Call Now button on a Facebook page to allow Facebook users to contact you using your phone number. So let's get started. First, go to your Facebook page and click the three-dotted horizontal More option. Next, from the menu list, select the Action Button tab. This will open a pop-up window. To continue, click the Try It button. Now from the available Action Button options, select Call Now and move forward. In the next pop-up window, enter the phone number that Facebook users can use to contact you. Select your country code and then enter your phone number. Finally, click the Save button to complete the Action Button setup process. Now the Call Now button is set up, but you will not be able to see it in edit mode. Log in as a Facebook user, and Facebook users will be able to see the Call Now button right below the cover image on your Facebook page, which they can use to contact you. With this, we have reached the end of the video. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more updates.